Okay, I have a quick question for everybody. I know I have not seen any lettering on Daisy, but since we achieve high detail lettering on these models, I want to put station name here. I don't know if that's the correct one. Let me know if I should put something different because I'm about to print this model, and it will be nice to have more details. I know in the pictures or videos I've seen, I have not seen anything. Also, I was able to make another tweak on this model. This is the rough parts I used to get very bad because I'm learning how to 3D print on resin. But now, compared side to side, this is bad. This has improved really good, and it's less work. Basically, I'm just gonna light sand like real quick, and these models will be ready for paint. But I want to know because I want to 3D print that on resin. That model, this one I have it is FDM filament. But since resin gives us high details, I definitely want. Let me show you. See, this is kind of not. It's not bad. It's really good, but it's not, since I want high detail models, I want to create something like this, so we can just paint with a marker. Once it's painted, we just go to do the lettering with the marker, and it will be good. I also updated a little bit the model. I added these details. I don't know if I have to change, but I based this on the models I've seen online. So this, let me see. I gotta change the color, the shade. Yeah, remember all these since I'm doing this from scratch. Every part is done independently. But anyways, let me know in the comments. So definitely want to create and add something to this model.